How to get trip.com promo code. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. To get yourself a promo code, firstly, launch your preferred browser in your device. In the search bar, search for trip.com promo code and give it a search. You'll find various of websites dealing with trip.com promo code which you can select from. For the sake of this video, I'll be choosing this one. In some of the websites similar to this, you can also enter email address and tap on Get Alerts to never miss out a promo code or a coupon. To get yourself a coupon, just tap on Show Coupon Code button. You can either copy the coupon by tapping on the copy button and paste it while you are checking out of your travel.com. If not, tap on Redeem at trip.com, which you'll be automatically redirected to. In here, you can scroll down and select on the popular routes that if you prefer. If not, select on Book Other Routes. Then, just apply for a trip and do not miss out to use those promo code, which has brought us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.